The NSS report Time Use in India 2019, whose findings were revealed on September 29 by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, measures the amount of time people spend doing various activities, be it paid work or childcare, volunteering, and socializing. A first of its kind in India. A sample survey conducted between January and December 2019, in which 1.39 lakh households across the country and 4.47 lakh persons over the age of 6 showed exactly how much time is spent on unpaid caregiving activities, volunteer work, unpaid domestic service producing activities of the household members. A survey like this is useful in drafting policies on poverty, gender equity, and human development. The data underlines that while a large chunk of paid work is done by men, unpaid work is largely done by women. The participation rate of men in paid employment, which includes jobs, farming, fishing, mining, amongst other economic activities, is high at 57.3%, compared to women whose participation rate is only 18.4%. Indian men also spend more time at paid work, spending on average 7 hours 39 minutes compared to the 5 hours 33 minutes spent by women. However, when it comes to unpaid work like domestic services for household members, which includes cooking food, cleaning, or unpaid caregiving like looking after a dependent child or an adult, the participation of women is very high. 81.2% women participate in unpaid domestic services, spending an average 4 hours 59 minutes each day. The participation rate of men in domestic services is low at 26.1%, an average of just 1 hour 37 minutes daily. A very high percentage of Indians socialize and spend their time in leisure each day. The report says that 91.4% of men participated in social activities, spending 2 hours and 27 minutes each day. The participation rate for women is just a little less at 91.3%, and they also spend less time compared to men at 2 hours and 19 minutes. However, Indians are not inclined towards participating in unpaid volunteer work. The report shows that only 2.7% of Indian men participate as unpaid volunteers or trainees or participate in other unpaid work, spending 1 hour 42 minutes conducting the activity per day. The participation of women in volunteer work is lesser at 2%, spending 1 hour 39 minutes.